Welcome to another day of accountability. Today, I'd like to go deeper into the different types of data repositories or databases. Yes, in terms of data lakes, warehouses, pipelines, as well as marts. I'd like to talk about those three, as well as the relationships that the three have. So, basically, the relationship between these different types of data repositories, right, from my understanding, is that first, when you extract raw data, right, from your data sources, that gets stored into a data lake that has the raw source. From the data lake, the data gets transformed, right, using the ETL, which is extraction, transformation, and loading, into a data warehouse. Then you have it right there. Okay, that's good. That's great. From the data warehouses, then depending on the specific use case when it comes to analysis and reporting, then you get your data marts, right? So for example, if you have per se sales analysis and reports that you got from the company, right, then you'd have it right there. As well as marketing, you'd have a different data mart. As well as whatever's in your warehousing or ERP system, then you'd also have it there. So that's my understanding of all of these. So first we start off with a data lake, into a data warehouse, and then into a data mart. Then what is a data pipeline? A data pipeline is basically the process of how it is the data is stored. I guess we could call it the data storage journey, and that's about it. So now we can go into depth as to like what is the specific per se data repository. First off, starting with data warehouse. A data warehouse is a multi-purpose enabler of operational and performance analytics. So this is basically where all your transformed data will be stored. I guess that there won't be too much discretion as to the types of data, because the discretion actually happens in the data marts, the discretion, sorting, and organizations of like, okay, cool, this is for this specific department. A data mart basically provides restricted analytic capabilities for a specific part of the data warehouse. So this in turn offers isolated security as well as isolated performance. So the most important part of data marts is for business specific analytics and reporting roles. So data lakes are basically where your data is stored in raw format, in raw format. Then this specific data is given a unique identifier as well as a meta tag for further data use. The data here is basically selected and organized on its future use case. It also retains all source data without exclusions. So the most important role that a data lake plays is within predictive analysis as well as advanced analytics. Then we get a data pipeline, which basically encompasses the data's journey throughout the system, inclusive of the ETL, the extraction, transformation, and loading of the data. This can be used for both batch as well as streaming data. It also supports longer running complex queries as well as shorter queries. It typically loads data into the data lake, but can load data into a variety of target destinations, including other apps and visualization tools. So basically, I believe that's the whole data repository or database ecosystem, or storage, for lack of better words. But nonetheless, that's that. Thanks for watching.